dear students. Today we will be going to study a topic which is based on three-dimensional geometry. Now, before proceeding this topic, I know that all these things you know already, but I will revise it before proceeding this topic. Now, consider this is the angle AOB. The measurement of this angle is theta. Now, if I draw a line segment OC, which will divide this angle AOB in two equal angles of theta by 2 and theta by 2. So OC will be the angle bisector for this. Okay. Now come back to this case, which is a case of three-dimensional geometry. Now in three-dimensional geometry, how many planes are there? Totally there are how many planes? There are three planes. There are three planes: X, Y, YZ and XZ. So this is a case of 3D. Now angle BAC is theta. Angle BAC is theta. Measurement angle BAC is theta. Measure angle BAC is theta. Now since this AC is the angle bisector, AC is the angle bisector. It is dividing angle BAD into two equal angles. Okay. So measure angle BAC will be theta by 2 and measure angle CAD will be also equal to theta by 2, since this is the angle bisector. Now what is given in this case? The angle bisector of the direction cosine of vector AB, which is nothing but L1, M1 and N1, and direction cosine of vector AD, which is nothing but L2, M2 and N2. So we consider this direction cosine of the angle bisector as L, M and N. Now you know the formula. I think I know that this formula is known to you. Suppose these are the two vectors. With direction cosines as L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2 and N2, and the angle between them is theta. So this is the formula for this. Now here we are considering this equation 1. Equation 1, we are considering the angle between vector AB and vector AC and rewrite this relation. So this will be the equation 1. And when we consider the vector AC and AD, so second equation will be the output. When we got these two equations, we will be going to add both of them. Left hand side with the left hand side, right hand side with the right hand side. So we get this. After simplifying, this will come. Again after simplifying, this will come. Once we got this, we will divide it by 2 cos theta by 2, both left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side will be reduced to 1 and the right hand side we will get this. So 1, you know that in terms of, it can be in terms of trigonometric ratio, it can be written as cos of 0 degree. So cos of 0 degree I have written, and I got this equation: cos 0 left hand side, right hand side is this L into L1 plus L2 by 2 cos theta by 2 plus M into M1 plus M2 by 2 cos theta by 2 plus N into N1 plus N2 by 2 cos theta by 2. So what is this? This is the angle. Okay, this is the angle, and you compare this equation with this equation. This theta is the angle between the two vectors. L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are the direction cosines of the two vectors. Now here this L, M and N are the direction cosine of the angle bisector. Since the angle is 0, that means these are the direction cosines of the second vector. These are the direction cosine of the second vector. L, M and L, M and N are the direction cosine of one vector, and these circle ones are the, that means L1 plus L2 by 2 cos theta by 2, M1 plus M2 by 2 cos theta by 2 and N1 plus N2 by 2 cos theta by 2. These are the direction cosines of another vector. So this is the direction cosine of one vector L, M and N, and these are the direction cosines of another vector. Now since the angle between the two vectors is 0, that means this L, M and N and this circle one direction cosines are the direction cosines of the same vector, because the vectors are coinciding with each other. That means angle between them is reduced to 0. Suppose this was the angle, okay, now it is reduced to 0, so this angle is reduced to 0. So that means this is also these will also represent the direction cosine of the angle bisector. So this L1 plus L2 by 2 cos theta by 2, M1 plus M2 by 2 cos theta by 2, N1 plus N2 by 2 cos theta by 2, these are the direction cosine of the angle bisector. I hope this is clear to you. Now again, if there is any doubt, you can ask or comment in comment box. Thank you.